Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2021 Coachman Catalina Summit 184 BHS. BH stands for bunkhouse and slide. Sleep 8 people, 1 slide. We've got a camp kitchen with the suburban griddle. Cook up some flapjacks or eggs or bacon, whatever you need. We've got a mini fridge, some storage out here. A leash link, hook your pets up there. Power awning with LED accent lighting. You can strobe it, flash it. It comes with a remote. It's very cool. We've got the solid entry step. Makes it nice for getting in and out. The front we have one 30-pound LP tank with a battery disconnect, manual tongue jack. Take a look inside. U-shaped dinette that drops down for sleeping area. Our shower area. Also has another fan in there. Rear wood bunks. Outlet in the bottom. Now this is kind of new. They're not. I think it's going to be more of a standard item on a lot of trailers coming up, but it's a 12-volt refrigerator. They're a little bigger. On-off switch on the side. Nothing on the front of the refrigerators anymore. 2-burner range. Microwave. Then our Murphy bed. We've got a couch. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Flip up the couch. You could either sleep on that if you wanted, or drop down the bed. There we go, one-handed. You're all hooked up for 8 people sleeping. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.